Hello everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, I will walk you through our nifty PPC pay-per-click calculator, widely used metric calculator for your advertisement efforts. So as you can see, this calculator is a very nifty to use interface where you need to input four variables, four values against four input variables, and you'll get data points on expected traffic on website, number of conversions you can expect from your PPC campaign, total sales that you can generate, and the profit, overall profit for your campaigns. So as we all know that PPC is a highly effective way to drive traffic and conversions, but the cost associated with it vary widely based on several factors across industries, including competition, the keywords you select, then the quality score of your campaigns, the target audience you're reaching out to, campaign complexities like seasonality of your product and services, and of course, the management and expertise of those campaigns. So, this calculator is actually a great initiator for you to get started and help you estimate the expected traffic on your website, the number of conversions you can achieve, and total sales. So, I'll break down the input variables that you need to provide. So, first is the average cost per click or average CPC. This is the amount you're willing to pay for each click on your ad. For example, if you set your CPC at $10 or 10 INR, you'll need to input value 10 here. So this is essentially $10 every time someone clicks on your ad. And next is the PPC budget. So again, this is the amount that you're ready to invest for your campaign, paid campaigns. For instance, if you have a budget of 20,000 USD, simply need to input value 20,000 here. So that's the amount you're prepared to spend for your campaign duration. Conversion ratio is actually the percentage which reflects how many visitors to your website you will expect who are going to make a purchase. So if you anticipate that 5% of your total visitors will convert into customer, that you'll need to input here. So I'm simply adding 5. Next comes the average value of the product. So this is the average sales price of the product or the services you are selling. So let's say if your product typically sells for $1,000, so that's the figure you'll input here. Make sure that it is consistent and mapped out with your currency, the currency of your region. Simply you need to hit calculate. So that's the output that you can expect. First is the expected traffic on the website. So this shows how many visitors you can expect based on your PPC budget and the average cost per click. So with a budget of $20,000 and a CPC of $10, you can expect 2,000 clicks to your website. So next is the number of conversions. So it is computed based on the expected traffic and conversion ratio. So this tells how many visitors you are likely to gain from your campaign. So with the conversion ratio of 5%, that means you could achieve 100 conversions. Total sales is the potential revenue. So with an average product value of 1000 USD, total sales amount to 100,000 USD. And profit is the overall profit, which is calculated excluding your budget from the total sales that you are generating, which is 80,000 USD in this case. See how simple it is to compute these values. So in case you find it challenging to figure out the conversion ratio of your campaign, so you can simply look up for our conversion ratio calculators. I'll also be linking that video in the description box, and you can see how that video how you can compute conversion ratio for your campaign, or simply you can visit upgrowth.in. From resources section you can access our calculators, and we have all the calculators listed out for you in case you're confused about any of the input variables here. So I'll show you one example. For instance, if I want to look up for a conversion ratio calculator, so you see conversion ratio calculator from Upgrowth. We have multiple calculators on conversion ratio depending on your business goal. So you can check out any one of them. And also we have a video on the same. So you can simply type out conversion ratio calculator from Upgrowth on. You'll be directed to this page. So do check out this calculator, which is there in the description box. And if you want to understand more around PPC, if you're getting started with your PPC campaign, you can also check out our PPC quiz. Simply type out PPC quiz by Upgrowth. It basically details on search engine, and you will be directed to multiple PPC resources, PPC archives, digital marketing quiz, and you can test your knowledge. So do attempt this quiz because it will be a great initiating point for you to get well versed with PPC campaigns and understanding nitty-gritties of it. So if you are looking for a growth partner specifically for your business, you can book a consultation with a marketing specialist. For more such tips and tools to help you online business, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in.